along with Sia from Tagore House conducting today's assembly.
Well, Kushi, let me remind you how a day without plan. It's like that formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune.
It's surprising. A day without plan is nothing. It's proceed as our own wish.
Yes, Kushi, without plan we can't guess how we manage a day.
Yes, of course, we have a lots of hesitation, little bit confusion.
With this, I would like to call upon Harsh for today's thought of it.
Good morning. Today's thought is education flourishes our mind from all over. It is gracious part of our life if we have education. Thank you and have a thoughtful day.
Thank you, Harsh, for today's thought of the day. Sia, you know planning is very important for our life.
Yes, Kushi, by planning we can achieve our target.
With this, I would like to call upon Heer for today's news headline.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are international news. Germany reports 31 new coronavirus infections. Myanmar turns away cruise ship over coronavirus fears. National news. Coronavirus scarred Karnataka school students with cold fever to be given leave. Revenue Secretary ABP Pandey designated as new Finance Secretary. Sports news. Women's T20 World Cup semi-final. India to face England in 2018 edition repeat. List of Orange Cup winners in IPL history. India under-16 football team's Tajikistan tour cancelled. Hardik Pandya hit smashing century, 105 runs in 39 balls. Thank you.
Good performance by him. Now Kushi, we were talking about study plan. So here, I think planning plays a very important role in our life.
Yes, Sia, a student having a good plan can score well in the exam.
Obviously, Kushi will also have plan for study. With this, I would like to call upon Yashvi for schedule of self-study.
Good morning. Here I want to share some of the tips to follow this timetable. We should wake up at 5:30, lately by 6:15. 7 to 3, we are attending our school. After coming from school, one hour we should rest and have our food. Then 4 to 6, we are in tuition. After coming from tuition, we should relax for half an hour. After relaxing, 6:30 to 8:30, we should do our self-study. After study, we should have our dinner. 1.5 hour, we should complete our homework and then go to sleep. This was the timetable followed by many students. Thank you.
Excellent plan. So, Sia, if we have such kind of plan, we can achieve our target.
Yes, Kushi. Do you know the communication or expression of thoughts in spoken word called?
Yes, it's speech. It was so simple.
With this, I would like to call upon Unnati for speech.
A good plan today is better than a perfect plan tomorrow. Well said by George S. Patton. With this, a very happy morning to everyone. Friends, as you know, it is the time of examination. Oh my God, when we say like this, when we have no plan, no preparation, with this we always face problems. Friends, we have many solutions to get rid out of the fear of examination. First of all, we have to think about study plan for the examination. We must solve our difficulties related with it. Remove all your negative thoughts, let's be positive and think about examination. There are many more plans in front of us. It will depend upon us how effectively we plan it. So friends, awake and do something extraordinary. Achievements are waiting for you in upcoming examination. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Fabulous, Unnati. Now, Sia, I have a good plan in my mind.
What is that?
I will follow my own schedule for study plan.
Outstanding plan. Now with this, I would like to call upon Zainab to give some tips for self-study.
Good morning, everyone. Friends, as you know, before the study plan, you must be aware about some tips. Some tips are as follows. Number one, create a mind map. Second, take notes that you will find useful. Third, work out sincerely for your assignment. Fourth, have a creative life. Fifth, first of all, make plan, strategy, then proceed for your study. Sixth, set realistic goals. Seventh, review the work you have learned today. Eighth, find what works for you. Ninth, study in short, frequent session. 10. Prepare and maintain your study environment. Thank you and have a nice day.
Superb, Janam. I hope Sia everyone will follow these tips.
Yes, Kushi, with this anyone can be a scholar in their academic. As well said by Lalit Gifty, every beginner possesses a great potential to be an expert in his or her chosen field.
Well, now I would like to call upon Vedangi for a short story for encouraging about self-study plan.
Friends, as you know that exams is very important for us. So here I am telling a nice story of a boy from middle class family. Friends, a boy Rahul was always attend his school, never fight with anyone, always study in school and think about his study. What happened one day, his friend was discussing about preparation for the exams. They said they will be the topper again in the coming exam. The boy was listening to them and he was thinking that I am studying from morning to evening. Why I could not be a topper? He asked to his teacher about the same matter. Teacher said, forget what others say. Do as you wish. First make a good plan of studies accordingly to the schedule, then fix your time to study. Then my dear boy, you will be the next topper. Boy did the same. What happened next day? All his friends saw the notice board. There was no name registered as topper except a boy. Rahul got 97% all over the students. They were ashamed themselves and went to ask Rahul that what he did in the exams and what was his secret about his success. He told, I did nothing, I made a good plan before 2 weeks. Finally, boy got a prize from the principal sir. Moral, study plan is a goal orientation where an individual gets success. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good performance, Vedangi. Thanks for the story.
Overall study plan is well for everyone, but Sia, one part is remaining.
What is that?
You know, teachers are valuable for students' life. They enlighten students forever. So with this